Hey everybody, welcome to another installment of Brad Cook Stuff. So, this week I want to make something that's not only simple, but that I can take to work with me to eat as breakfast or lunch. So, I figure a cheeseburger is pretty simple, and some slow-cooked vegetables will round it out. Anyway, let's take a look at the ingredients and see what we're working with. Here are the ingredients for tonight's dish. So we start with a couple of hamburger patties. We got a couple of carrots, some eggs, 2 packages of baby corn, and a couple of sachets of onion soup. All right, let's go ahead and start with our vegetables. Let's go ahead and get these carrots peeled. Now that we're done with that, I'm just going to cut these in half, more or less. Got me a new knife, too, while I was gone. All right. That's it for the carrots. Let's go ahead and get these and our baby corn into the slow cooker. All right, so we're going to take one of these pouches of onion soup. Put it in the bottom of the slow cooker here. There we go. Take these carrots, lay them in the bottom. And then I'm going to put in both pouches of this baby corn. And we'll top it with this other sachet of onion soup. All right, we're going to put this into the slow cooker on high so that this gets done a little bit faster. While we're waiting for the vegetables to finish cooking, let's get some butter in a pan and make us some fried eggs. So I got myself a nice new egg ring when I was back in the US. Let's fry an egg in it. All right, I got a couple of fried eggs set up for our burgers. Let's go ahead and get these burgers into the pan. First, I'm going to put in some of this skillet butter and herb Yellowstone seasoning. My mom got me this while I was back home, and this is good stuff. Put some in the pan. There we go. And then we'll put in these burgers. Ooh. Oh, listen to those. I'm going to smash them down a little bit. There we go. All right. Let's let these cook for a little while. I'm going to cover them up. Well, I've had these on there for a while, and I flipped them over. I really think these may be done. All right. Yeah, check these out. All right. Let's go ahead and build some burgers. All right, I've got some Lawson buns, which have been kind of difficult to find lately, actually. And ourselves a nice burger patty here. Also, we're going to put on one of these fried eggs. Check that out. And finally, a slice of sliced cream cheese. That's right. We're going to have a cream cheese and egg burger here. All right. And finally, for our vegetables, we're going to go ahead and open up our slow cooker and put some of these on a plate. All right. Moment of truth. I have here a lovely cheeseburger with a handful of slow-cooked vegetables. All right, let's go ahead and try the cheeseburger first. So we've got a nice egg and cream cheese slice on here. All right, let's give it a try. See how it tastes. All right, so everything about this is soft. The bun, the burger, the fried egg, and the cream cheese slice are all very, soft, and tender. I need another bite of this, man. This is excellent. Mmm. 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 Yeah, that is surprisingly good. Crap, I didn't think it would be that good. As for our vegetables, let's have a little bit of this baby corn. And a little bit of carrot here. So I think I cooked these just the right amount of time, and that onion soup that I put in there really adds to the flavor. All right. Yeah, some carrot too. But of course, the star of the show is this egg and cream cheese burger. So the Yellowstone butter seasoning I put on there also stands out, which really just rounds the whole thing out. I need one more bite of this here. So the idea behind this was I wanted something that was not too difficult to make, but that I could also take to work with me to eat for breakfast or lunch. And I think I well solved that on this one. I've got most of this burger left. I've got an entire other burger that I've gone ahead and put aside so I can have it later this week. And I have a little bit left of the vegetables on my plate and plenty left in the fridge. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. But as always, appreciate you guys stopping in. See you in the next video.